Is Dogecoin going to hit $1? If yes, when exactly will this happen? Can you still become a millionaire with Dogecoin? Should I invest now? Is it too late? Or should I wait for a lower price? I'm going to give you the best answers possible. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to analyze Doge USDT chart, Doge BTC price, Bitcoin dominance chart, altcoin season index, CBBI fear and greed index, and more. So stay tuned and let's get into the charts. But before we start, make sure you click subscribe, link the bell for future updates. You can help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate that. I want to say big thanks to all my new subscribers. Alright, let's take a look at the charts now. We are looking at Doge USDT chart right now, and I have to tell you that Dogecoin is looking really strong. It bounced back around 40% from the bottom. We're currently trading at 15 cents. I was kind of expecting it to go down all the way down to 11 cents here, but we barely touched it. So my limit order was not filled, but if you're listening to me when I drew this order box, that was a perfect opportunity from this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level to make around 20-30% of a swing trade. But now, if Bitcoin is going to continue correcting, I think we can retest this level right here, or we can even go lower to 11 cents or maximum to 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, and I think we're gonna bounce back from that. So now everything is depending on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin's gonna do. But how important it is to catch the lowest prices, I'm gonna show you right now. So let's say you would buy Dogecoin right now, and from 15 cents to 20 cents, it's actually only 33% of profit. But if you were able to get Dogecoin, for example, at 10 cents right here, let's mark 10 cents and let's go to 20, it's 100% profit. So it's really important to grab all these corrections very low, then you can actually make some profits on the way up, like twice or 3 times actually more. So the lower you get it, the better. And now we just have to observe the market and see what Bitcoin's gonna do, and hopefully we can get even lower than that so we can purchase some more Dogecoin. And I told you guys I drew this line on RSI, and if you look closely to the lower here, and we actually broke this trend, and I told you guys it would bring some positivity on the chart. And yeah, I can see bullish divergence here, I can see strength, and it's showing some good signs for the future. Let's take a look at Bitcoin BTC chart, which I analyzed in some previous videos, and here the situation is looking really good because look guys how undervalued we are looking at this chart. Look how low we are actually. And I told you guys before, if we are going to be able to see this kind of movement upwards, then that would mean that if you put 1 BTC in this order box right here, then this movement of around 100% would bring you 2 Bitcoins. If you put 1 BTC here, you would have 2 BTC over here and 3 BTC at the local top, at the previous local top. So you can actually use this chart, and if you see something like this, something like that movement upward, I'm gonna draw it for you. If you look something like this here on this chart in the future, of course, then I would actually sell my Dogecoin into BTC. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is purely educational content and for entertainment purposes. But if that was me, I would actually just take profits into BTC, because this chart, if it goes up, it will continue to going down like this for the next bear market, and you're just gonna use your Bitcoins. And if you can make a lot of Bitcoins on this chart, I would definitely move some of my Dogecoin into BTC. That's gonna be worth 100k, 200k, whatever prediction you're believing, I think it's gonna appreciate in value too. But obviously we need to take a look at Bitcoin, because I told you guys we were really high, and sorry about that, we're really high, and look at the moving averages here. We're so far away from moving averages, and I told you guys it's a good time to take profits. I took some of my profits. I sold 40% around 70k, as I told you many times, and yeah, we corrected 20%, but we can get to minus 30 in my opinion. The lowest we can get is absolutely the lowest I see is $45,000, and if that happens, then if we come back to the Dogecoin chart, then we would see definitely 11 cents or even lower. So we have to look at Bitcoins, because Bitcoin will determine how other altcoins and the whole market will behave, and on short term, medium term, and long term. Long term, I think like Dogecoin can go between 50 cents to $1, maybe even further, we'll see. But Bitcoin will bring new investors, and Bitcoin will spread the capital on altcoins. So we have to look at Bitcoin first to see what's going to happen to Dogecoin. And if we look at CBBI, actually, I told you guys many times before that CBBA is overheated, and this is a combination of 7 different indicators. I really like this chart, and yeah, for every halving that we had in the past, we were much lower, approximately 100% lower than we are right now. And I told you guys it's a huge improvement for some kind of correction that actually happened, okay? But we're still high, and we can still drop a little bit. So that's gonna be a good sign, because really experienced traders, they're happy when the market is bleeding, because if we can get those coins super low, then we can make way more profit on the way up, okay? I hope you get it. Alright, can Dogecoin reach $1? We're currently looking at CoinGecko, and Dogecoin is at number 1 on the market, with a market cap of $21.5 billion. And what has to happen for Dogecoin to reach $1? So looking at the price and the capitalization, it's clear that we have to go past $140 billion of market cap. That would put Dogecoin on the 3rd place on CoinGecko, behind Ethereum. So if Dogecoin is gonna go past Ethereum, if the flipping of Ethereum will happen, then it means Dogecoin will go to $2, over $2, okay? But also, I expect the whole market, BTC, Ethereum, and the whole altcoins to double or triple in the nearest future. So that number could be even higher. But guys, the market cap of Dogecoin, if you're counting on $1, has to go to $140 billion. So if the whole market's gonna double, that we would have to move from number 9 to top 5, okay? Which is totally doable. It's not gonna be easy, but it's obviously doable. And how much you need right now to become a millionaire? So if you're hoping, if you know that you can wait till Dogecoin is gonna hit $1, if you're a believer in that, then you would need $150,000 right now at this price, and you would have to wait till Dogecoin reaches $1. If we go further than that, and if you think like it's gonna go to $2, then you would need approximately $75,000, which is a lot. And the question is it worth to risk this huge amount of money to become a Dogecoin millionaire, rather than using Dogecoin when it's gonna move up and take profits into BTC that's gonna double or triple, and you can get same results or even better results if you do some swing trading? And if you want to learn more, then I really recommend you guys click subscribe and follow me for future updates, because I'm gonna explain this process for you step by step in my next video. So make sure you click subscribe button right now, and I'm gonna talk about it later. All right, so now let's just take a look at Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's go back to the charts, and as I told you guys, as I predicted before, weeks before, I told you guys we would move up here, and as I told you, we would hit 57 as a ceiling, as a top, as a resistance, and we actually did it, like literally perfect top. So I drew this line weeks ago, and we actually recreated that in real life, so I'm really happy about that. And yeah, we have a really little retracement, but I think we're gonna see 1 or 2 legs up, and if that happens, it's gonna be perfect opportunity to accumulate altcoins. And I told you guys that this movement here would be a great opportunity to purchase altcoins, and if you did so, then you should be in much profit right now. So talking about Bitcoin dominance, we have to go and take a look at the altcoin Bitcoin season. And here, that leg I showed you here on Bitcoin dominance chart, you can actually see it here as we drift towards Bitcoin season. And this is where you sell your Bitcoin into altcoins. So if you did so, you would be in profit. And looking at that, I think we should see another leg down. We have a little accumulation. I don't think we're over. I think we should see 1 leg or maybe 2 legs down, but you never know. Like if you accumulated some altcoins here, that's really, really good. All right, let's take a look at Fear and Greed Index, and we tapped like 43 for a moment. We were in fear actually a couple of days ago, and I told you guys ever since we were at 78, I told you guys we would move towards the left, and we actually saw fear, and now we retrace, we pull back a little bit to 68. And I think we're gonna see another leg towards the left. We're gonna see fear or even extreme fear. And this indicator, guys, take a look at this indicator and study it, because if it's gonna show fear or extreme fear, that's amazing indicator for you to know if you should invest into BTC or the crypto market. And if you see here a Bitcoin season, and if you see here extreme fear, you buy altcoins, and the other way you buy BTC. You have to know the cycles. You have to know this micro little cycles on the market, so you can get the most out of it. And again, if you need help with that, just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna update it every single week, so you can be updated on my channel. All right, thank you so much. That's it for today. Make sure you click subscribe button again. You can help me reach 1,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I'm really appreciate each one of you. And after this video, make sure you go to my playlists and watch recommended videos right here. And you can learn so much from these videos. I talk about swing trading a lot, and you guys absolutely love those videos, so I really recommend you guys go there and watch those videos to learn more about the processes on the market. All right, thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.